Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete ChatGPT account permanently, and here's how it's done. Open the ChatGPT platform and sign in using your account credentials. Click on your profile icon or name. On the desktop, find your profile icon, avatar, or account name usually located in the top right corner of the interface. On a mobile device, tap the two horizontal lines hamburger menu in the top left corner to access your profile. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Data Controls section. Click on it to expand additional options. Look for the Delete Account option in the Data Controls section. Click on it to initiate the account deletion process. Enter your email address as prompted. Type the word delete case sensitive in the required field to confirm. Click on Permanently Delete My Account to finalize the process. Your account, along with all associated data, will be permanently deleted. Additional notes: irreversible action. Deleting your account is permanent and the data cannot be recovered afterward. Clear chats first optional. If desired, you can clear your conversation history before deleting the account. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete ChatGPT account permanently. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.